Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burger like Burger King at home. First, select 80/20 ground beef for that classic juicy texture. Form your patties thinly, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick, and make them a bit wider than your buns to account for shrinkage. Don't forget to season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. This simple preparation is key to a great burger. To get that signature flame-grilled taste, a hot cast iron skillet or grill pan is essential. Cook your thin patties for about 2 to 3 minutes per side to achieve a perfect medium doneness, ensuring they remain juicy. For an extra touch of smokiness, you can add a few drops of liquid smoke to the pan or directly onto the patties while cooking. This technique mimics the char and flavor of a real grill. Now for the assembly. Lightly toast your sesame seed buns until they are golden brown and slightly crispy. This prevents sogginess. Start with a layer of fresh, crisp lettuce, followed by juicy, ripe tomato slices and thinly sliced white onion. Don't forget those essential dill pickles for a tangy crunch. Finish with a generous spread of mayonnaise or your preferred burger sauce on both bun halves. This order builds flavor. Your homemade Burger King-style burger is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with classic sides like crispy fries or golden onion rings for the ultimate fast food experience at home. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses, like American or cheddar, or try various sauces to customize your creation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.